Hey there, Brendan Bailey with the MarineMax Dallas Yacht Center, coming to you this afternoon to show you this beautiful 2009 Sea Ray 350 Sundancer. 1 year later, this boat became a 370 Sundancer. Exact same boat, just a different logo on the side. So we're going to walk you through this. We'll start back here. As you can see, the faux teak across the back of it was just installed in the last 12 months on the boat. Beautiful, still like new. Owners have probably used it 4 or 5 times since it was installed. So really a nice feature on this boat. You'll notice the what I like to call the sundown seat, or the fireworks seat, here on the transom of the boat. Folded away. It's nice and stored. You got a beautiful entertainment area here on the back of the boat with the fold-out ladder, a couple of speakers firing backwards, and of course the transom shower here on the back, just to wash that tannin lotion off or any sand or anything. So let's step through. One thing that people love about the 370 is how wide it feels. It's got a lot of beam to it. So you'll notice here the nice L-shaped seating. Seat 5 or 6 people easy around this table that's here, the cockpit table. Nice natural teak table. Right across from it, easy to serve back and forth from the Kenyon grill. You guys know how I feel about Kenyon grills. I might not be able to cook myself, but this sure does make it easy for hot dogs and things like I can cook. So really a cool thing. You can cook anything on there. Go to cookingwithkenyon.com and see the wide array of things you can cook. Nice refrigerator down here. Keep some drinks cold. If you want to keep some meats in there and stuff, you can do that as well. This boat does have the upgraded Cockpit TV option on it. Really nice to be able to sit back here, watch a football game. You got digital TVs throughout the entire boat with digital antenna already. Look at this beautiful hardtop, all fiberglass hardtop, no bimini, none of that going on. It's all fiberglass. All you got to do is wax it and keep it looking beautiful, and you're in good shape. One other feature that people love about the 370 is having this seat here on the port side. Be able to come in, you can flip this around, make it all part of the entertainment here, or make it face forward as well. You got the dual helm seat here that swivels around. You can actually take this seat when you're ready to drive and navigate somewhere. You can spin it around. Got a fully featured helm here with the Raymarine C120, the Sony remote, the VHF radio, vessel view or smart craft here. This boat does have about 300 hours on each engine. It has the twin 496 mags with the Axios joystick docking. Coolest feature of all is a sky hook on it. Click a button, it locks into GPS satellites, keeps you sitting there while you get your fenders and lines ready. Maybe you're waiting to pick up somebody here at the dock, or you're waiting to go into a fuel dock. Skyhook really takes a lot of that anxiety away, on top of having the joystick docking system. Just about anybody can dock this boat, so really a neat feature. DTS controls, beautiful wood grain. All the wood grain on this boat looks brand new. The eyebrow, which is a plexiglass black eyebrow, no scratches, just looks really pristine and nice. So we're going to go down forward. Before we do that, as we look at this cabin door, the 370 has 3 ways to get up to the bow of the boat, either up the port side or starboard side, or you can go up these nice steps that are all the way the width of this door and walk through the all polished stainless steel windshield to get to the bow. So really an easy boat to navigate. Even if you have somebody new on the boat, they don't have to be guessing which way to go. Just go forward. One of the 3 ways will get you there. Let's step down into the cabin. So first thing you'll notice when you step down in here is how it looks brand new. Doesn't look like anybody's ever stayed in it. This is a 3-owner boat. Previous 2 owners kept this boat on a lift in St. Petersburg, Florida. So it's never sat in salt water, which is a great feature of this boat. But the interior never really got used. The last owners stayed on it maybe once or twice. So it smells new in here, feels new in here, looks new. The woodwork is beautiful. The floors are beautiful and spotless. Countertops have no scratches in them. This is a boat that's not just going to be video nice. It's actually nice when you step aboard. So I'd challenge, I would make a challenge that it's probably going to be hard to find anything as clean as this in the 2009, 2010, or 11 model. So I'm sitting here in the V-berth. It does have an island bed, so it's straightforward. Hit the actuator and that'll lay down flat. They did that to give you more space here for entertainment. You don't want that bed sticking all the way out here when you're trying to entertain. You only need that bed when you're laying down. So it gives you the ability to do that. You can sit up, watch TV. You can see the flat screen TV flush mounted into the wall and that bulkhead. Nice long sofa. You can see here, even with me sitting here, I can still seat 3 or 4 more people down this side. Pull it out, somebody can sleep here as well. Nice galley, large deep countertops, really give you a lot of prep space. 2-burner oven or 2-burner stove. The microwave here, lots of storage throughout. Stainless steel insert sink. Lots of storage underneath here. You got the refrigerator drawer here, just to keep some waters and drinks cold there, as well as a nice large stainless steel Dometic refrigerator there. Runs on both AC and DC. As you step into the head, first thing you'll notice is you actually have a shower door on this boat. It's not just a curtain that goes around the head door. You actually have a separate area there. You can sit there on the head and shave your legs or whatever you need to do. You have the ability to sit down when you need to. Come out and you've got the vanity there, again with the nice wood finish, nice countertops, good size mirror, full mirror here to where you can check yourself before you go out. And then as you navigate back into the mid-berth, you'll notice the L-shaped seating with another flat screen TV back there as well. Just a great layout. Curtain can close across both in the mid-berth or here in the V-berth, right behind these Tommy Bahama styled shutters that conceal those curtains. So this is a great boat. We'd love for you to come check it out. We're located in North Texas. I'm 20 minutes from Dallas Love Field Airport, 20 minutes from DFW Airport. Love to talk to you about this boat. It'll be worth your while to get a plane ticket, get here. If you're here in the local market, give us a shout. We'd love to get you on board. It is here, stays at our office here at Pier 121 Marina on Lake Louisville. I'm Brendan Bailey with the MarineMax Dallas Yacht Center. Can't wait to talk to you about this boat. Give me a call, 972-670-8211. Talk to you soon. Bye.